Hello and welcome to the Random Bros. This time we will create a decorative light using a 3D printed mold and epoxy resin. After mixing the resin 2:1 per weight as instructed and mixing it well with a drill, it's time to cast it into the mold. It's really important to make the mold out of PETG. Since we tried PLA a couple of times and it leaks, then the resin is impossible to get separated out of the mold. In the second mold, I left a really small gap for the resin to fill and it made a mess, so we threw it away. If you want to learn how to make a 3D part out of an image, I will link a video in the description. So, after breaking the mold, you're left with the resin part, and as you can see, it needs a lot of sanding to get rid of the layer lines. After the sanding is done, we were left with a finish that it looked like frosted glass, which I really liked, so I didn't even try it to make it transparent. Then all that left is to add the LEDs. Unfortunately, we didn't have any LED strips around, and now with the whole COVID situation it's kind of hard to get something fast, so we installed some simple LED diodes that we had around. And that was it for today. If you liked or didn't like this video, you know what to do. Thanks a lot for watching the Random Bros and have a nice day.